Hello, story producers. You have a great story to tell, and you're hoping to use Vyond's online animation tool to produce it. The goal of the Vyond story production course is to bring theory and practice together. Aw, aren't they cute? So you can make videos the story design way. As many of you may know, I have a background in, a spotlight, please? Yeah, and if you're wondering about the cool effects in this video, you'll learn how to do those too. What was I saying? Theater. Right. My background is in theater, and one of the things I love most about theater is that every detail of the production contributes to the overall impact of its message. The lighting, the set, the costumes. Something a little out of place in this scene? Yeah. The same is true with video, which is why it's so important for you to know the purpose of each production choice. Why are you choosing a background? Why are you adding a prop? Why are you creating characters and making them move? Nice evening for a stroll. Okay, didn't see that coming. Asking these questions may seem unnecessary, but every production decision you make will either contribute to or take away from empathy and action. The exercises in the capstone project in this workshop are designed to help streamline your video making process, bringing focus to your production decisions, and help you build videos that are stylistically consistent with some surprises along the way, and incredibly fun to watch. Story, empathy, action. That's a wrap. Hey, who let the chickens on the set?